Hello everyone, my name is Johanna from Group 2. Today I'm very excited to be here to share with you about my special project. It's the lab picture frame. You can also call it by name is a token of love. And having chosen the practical artistic picture a gift idea, we work on the lab picture frame to celebrate the International Women's Days. And after learning a basic of the LED wiring, we are confidently to took a try of the technical setup. And you can also see this, and all of the members of my team are distributed by designing the floral pattern, which make the picture more elegant. And beside it, we have a challenging to align the LED wire perfectly. But eventually we are success. And for me, I feel a sense of accomplishment. I feel a sense of accomplishment after we have created our super fruitful and beautiful gift for the women. And I hope that we will have some lesson of this thing more in the future.
Yeah.